lovers. I'm Efras and welcome back to Healthy and Happy. Today I'm so excited about this episode because we'll be making a gluten-free zucchini pancakes with coconut flour. They are delicious, nutritious and super good for you. And if you want to learn how to use food as medicine, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Like the video, comment, I would love to hear from you. And so without further ado, let's get started. So for this amazing gluten-free zucchini pancake recipe, we'll be needing 2 zucchinis with skin on, and these are organic that I got at our local farmers market. We'll be needing eggs, and please use good eggs. These are pasture-raised and organic eggs, and you will absolutely feel and see the difference between these eggs and other commercial eggs. The yolk here is very rich, yellow, kind of orange color, and they are full of nutrients and minerals. Then we'll be using coconut flour. I love to buy organic one, and this of course is a non-gluten binding agent for these pancakes instead of regular flour. And you'll be needing a pinch of salt and a little bit of black pepper, and here I have both. So to start our recipe, because we're using our zucchini with the skin on, I would like to wash them in the solution of filtered water and baking soda. So let's pour filtered water over them and sprinkle baking soda on top. And then I can also scrub them a little bit with baking soda, so they are super clean and good for you. And you should do it especially when you are not buying organic vegetables and you want to use them with the skin on. So I've just rinsed them with more filtered water, and let's dry them quickly before we grate them. Alright, so and I want to grate them slightly larger than usual, and I'm picking this side of the grater. So let's grate them. And of course, I'm including links to all ingredients and utensils I'm using in this video in the description below. Now let's transfer our zucchini into the bowl. Alright, let's add 2 eggs, pasture-raised organic eggs. They are wonderful. Let's crack them right in. Okay. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. I love using coconut flour in my recipes because it adds a very wonderful taste of coconut. It's very slight, but even now I can feel the aroma of coconut, and it is absolutely delicious. So I add a good pinch of salt because it enhances the taste and it also provides electrolytes. I love to put some black pepper, freshly ground, and I like to ground it coarse. It's my taste, but you can use previously ground pepper as well. Alright, should be enough. And now let's mix all ingredients together, and you can see the color is amazing. It's a sunshine in the bowl. So such a fantastic summer dish. I love it. It's so cheerful, beautiful yellow color, and that's what our food should be: cheerful, amazing, nutritious, tasty, and something that brings joy to us. Life should be a joyful experience. The healthier and happier you are, more joy you have to share with other people. That's the philosophy I love to live by. This recipe is fantastic for people on ketogenic diet because it's very low in carbohydrates, and for people that watch their sugar intake. I see that all ingredients are nicely mixed together. Let's go ahead and take it to the stove. So we're using a non-stick pan, and we'll be making these pancakes on medium to low heat so that inside of the pancake is baked through and through. And we'll be using a avocado oil, which is non-inflammatory oil, and we'll pour generously into the pan and spread it all around, just like that. I like to put a little bit oil on my hand, and now let's scoop a spoon, put it in the palm of your hand, and create this little pancake, just like this, and place it in the pan. And we'll continue with the process of forming the pancakes until we fill our pan just like that. And you can already hear how it sizzles. So let's make sure they're not stuck here. Yeah, they're all separated, which is good. They're not stuck to the bottom of the pan. And we'll wait until the bottom part of the pancake browns a little bit. And we want to allow our pancakes to stay on one side for 3-4 minutes. Okay, now our pancakes have been in the pan for 4 minutes. So let's flip them. Let's flip them on the other side with 2 forks. Even on the non-stick pan, we will not damage the pan. Beautiful. You can press them down a little bit and let them sit in the pan for another 3 to 4 minutes. The pan will get progressively hotter, so you will, with every new batch, you will need less and less time for pancakes to become ready. And now let's transfer them into this wonderful dish. I like to play with my colors, yellow pancakes in a blue dish. And you can continue with the rest of the batter until all pancakes are done. Okay, and now it's time, very exciting time to try these fantastic zucchini pancakes. And you can eat them by themselves or add anything to it, herbs like dill, or you can add good fats like butter. And it's a fantastic non-inflammatory fat when it comes from grass-fed cows, like this Irish butter from Kerrygold. Highly recommend. It comes salted and unsalted version. And my personal absolute favorite addition to these pancakes is almond butter. And of course, choose organic, salted or non-salted. I happen to love chunky butter, but this is my late afternoon snack, or sometimes I have it after dinner, and this is my non-guilty pleasure. So without further ado, let's put some chunky almond butter on our heavenly zucchini pancakes. Let's try it and see how it tastes. I have to tell you guys, this is absolutely amazing. So enjoy the recipe. Make these pancakes for yourself, your friends, your family, your kids, and most importantly, stay healthy and happy. I'm Asi Efres. Thank you so much for watching.